The MUSE Virtual difference is in the amount of live instruction that each student will receive on a daily basis. You can come into MUSE and take any of our exciting courses from a core academic like science, math, social studies, history, or you can take one of our incredible specialists, seed to table, performing arts, theater, maker, human rights, climate crisis in action.
Creative outlets are very important, not only very important, but they are necessarily part of our society and should be an integral part of our education.
Performing arts is important to a child's education because it concentrates on a lot of aspects that the academia doesn't always hit. It really provides them unique outlets to find who they are and express themselves and give them the permission to change that.
Seed to table, the name encapsulates this idea that it's not just about growing the food, but it's the whole process from planting a seed to tending to it, to harvesting it, to eating it, which is the ultimate goal. In gardening, one of the things I really love to do is bring the academic classroom into the garden. So there's all sorts of science and math to teach in the garden. There's also history lessons, and there is literature lessons to do in the garden.
MUSE did this amazing job in migrating their learning model into the virtual space. So we kept the cooking classes and the seed to table and performing arts. They figured out a way to make all of that very still engaging, even though we're far away.
I've been teaching cooking classes through virtual learning, which has been an amazing experience and has actually brought our community together, because we're not only teaching kids from preschool to 12th grade how to cook and use plant-based ingredients, but we're also teaching the parents as well. And it's been an amazing experience and class for all of us because it keeps us connected